Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedrian. There you have it. It's official. Grammy winner Buju Banton is now Festival Song Winner 2020. I am a Jamaican. In the finale last night, right here, live on TVJ, the Gargamel's entry, I Am a Jamaican, came out as the favorite from the top 10. In making the announcement, Donna Hope spoke of the judging process.
We had no knowledge of who the performers were. We got lists with the numbers and the name of a song. 10 songs per list, and the songs were played. We had to listen to about 2 minutes of each song to make a justification as to why we would select a number out of 20 by which we would rank the song.
Second place went to Papa Michigan, to the left, and of course newcomer Sakina Deer beat your pot cover third. This year's Festival Song Finals was a fully televised event due to the coronavirus. However, this year's event was a success as the album was made available on streaming platforms and entered the top 20 on the reggae iTunes chart. Many believe the addition of veteran acts has revived the loved festival song competition. Congrats, guys. Now, Fame Frequency trended over the weekend. The virtual party in its 19th staging was not affected by the opening of entertainment venues over the weekend. Scores of online patrons joined the live broadcast, dubbed Recall 2.0, and were delighted with the true oldies parties, the DJ spinning hits from the 70s, 80s, and 90s. Fame 95 FM DJ and musical director at the RJ Arglina Communications Group, the Captain Colin Hines, spoke about the concept.
We actually, this time around, stayed true to recall, to old school. I find that, we took a break from the 2000s stuff, the cartels, the Mavados, and really gave people a nice little treat of some genuine old school bangers. So it was refreshing.
Fame Frequency has become a staple on Saturday night, and the Smirnoff brand manager Rashima Kelly spoke to E Prime on the exciting addition to the party.
So I'm really excited to have you be a part of this journey with us by submitting your idea of what you could plan as a party series for us to execute in August, and Fame and Smirnoff Jamaica will make your dream a reality. Get together. You can do it as an individual or a group of 4. Submit your application to pitch to us, and we will assess it and give you the opportunity to execute your very own party through the Fame Frequency platform powered by Smirnoff.
Now, can't wait to see what's planned for Fame Frequency this weekend, as the call has been answered for the playoffs to return, where the brands Fame, Radio Jamaica, and Hits will battle it out. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you so much for watching.